Friends, in this video, I will explain very interesting and useful circuit. We can use this circuit to operate our emergency light using LDR. Friends, in this circuit, I use a transistor 2N3906 which is PNP type, LDR, a resistor of value 10K, 3 resistor of value 220 ohm. Here I use 6 LEDs and yellow LED for power indication. Friends, in this circuit, LDR detect intensity of light and according to intensity of light, it turn on and off these LEDs. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. I will share the diagram of the circuit at the end of video. Friends, now I will test this circuit by connecting power supply to the breadboard. Friends, you can check yellow LED is on. It means that circuit is active. Friends, if I cover this LDR, then these LEDs will be on. Friends, you can check the output of this circuit. Friends, I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.